Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to another vlog from Serbia. Today we're gonna do some more mountain bike rides and hikes on Serbian countryside. And I'm also gonna fly a drone which couldn't be returned because of strong wind. So let's get into the vlog. And here we're on another mountain bike ride in a surrounding area, so we always try to pick a new road which is more adventurous than going on the same roads. And many of these field and forest roads are not on the maps, so it's always adventure where it's gonna lead, but many of them just end up in a cutting place in the woods or just at some house in the middle of nowhere. So we're enjoying nice colors of autumn, but we don't like that the sun is setting down much earlier. So the sunset up on the hills is about 40 minutes later than where we live in Kučevo. It's crazy. If you get up here, we get 40 minutes of sunshine more in each day. And now we had to get down to Kučevo quickly because we have no lights and it's getting dark. What a better way to end the day than with the vegan goodies. And here I am naked, enjoying the sunset, just being pure with nature, enjoying the moment. So this is why I prefer to live in an area where there is less people, like on this Serbian countryside. You have also more nature here. Then where in a city it's more people, more stress, less nature and more pollution. So whatever you're going through in your life, if you're stressing out, if you go to nature, it's just so peaceful and calming. And here we are on another autumn walk, enjoying the different colors of the trees, observing how the nature is changing and slowly preparing for the winter. And our dog Zgubil enjoys the walk as every other dog does. And as the sun was setting down, we thought it would be a great idea to fly a drone to get a different perspective, even though the wind was quite strong. So as I was flying drone towards the hill with the cross, I got a warning that the wind velocity is too high and I should land SAP, but I got these warnings before and I was flying normally. And when we were standing with Sanya, the wind didn't seem so strong, so I kept flying. So till now I was pretty much flying with the wind, that's why I was going so fast, but now I tried to go kind of against the wind to get a shot of the cross, but it seems like it was going normally, that's why I didn't have any worries for now. And here I'm even flying backwards, straight against the wind, making this epic reveal shot. And you can see the drone is flying normal. So I had no clue that I would have troubles getting back with the drone because of strong wind later on. And here again I'm flying against the wind without any troubles, with a view of Kučevo and River Pek. So I thought if I didn't have problems till now, I can go back and fly more because I still had over 70% battery at this point. And here I even decided to fly further past the cross hill, the way to Kauna village. You can see this road, that's where I usually do my running time trials. So at this point I had closer to 50% battery, so I said when I get to 50 I will turn back. And here I got all the way to beginning of Kauna village with a view of a big rock excavation site. And from here I thought I should be back in few minutes, even against the wind, because it was less than 600 meters away. But as you see, I'm progressing very slowly. At times the drone didn't even want to go, was kind of even going sideways. But then I got a big relief, the drone started going normally again, but the battery was also getting really low. But as I was getting closer to where we are, the wind started so strong that I couldn't even progress a few meters with the drone. It was even going backwards. and the battery at this point was under 30% because of so much effort. So I had to make a really quick decision here. I didn't want to risk running out of battery and landing maybe on the main road or on some of those cliffs that you can see in the front that we couldn't even get there, and totally losing the drone or even landing it in the river. So I decided to fly the drone to the top of Cross Hill where we could get easily with the car and land it in the bushes. So after I landed in the bushes, we went quickly with the car to the top of Cross Hill, and we also had a GPS navigation of where the drone should be. The area was completely covered with spiky bushes and it was also completely dark, so we had to use flashlights. Couldn't find the drone for about an hour. We were slowly giving up and thinking that we got a wrong GPS navigation or the drone was flying somewhere else after, who knows. I just looked one more time exactly the location which we got under some bushes, and then there was the drone. So I was so happy to find a drone because it's not the cheapest thing, and apart from one broken propeller, there was nothing really wrong with it. We even flown it afterwards. The moral of the story is be really cautious flying in a strong wind, especially if it tells you that you should land SAP because of high wind velocity.